make welcome with me. Please make welcome with me tonight. We call him Dr. Bright. Take it over, sir, if you can hear me.
Hello, everybody. Good evening, and welcome. I hope my voice is audible enough, and I hope everybody can hear me clearly. So, we're not going to be taking much of your time. Some of you came to this meeting via the radio ad we ran. So, in the next 30 minutes, 35 minutes max, we're going to be done. I will show you everything you're in this meeting to learn now. So if I were you, even if I don't want to write anything down, I'll just be getting ready to take some screenshots of some things I'm going to be showing you all. Right. So what you're going to be learning today or tonight is going to change your life forever. Forever. I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can be making at least $1 every day for the rest of your life. At least, like you don't make any money, you are making $1 every day for the rest of your life. This is not there are other persons here who will be making more than that. $10, $20, $30, $100, $50 every day for the rest of their life. If you follow the rules and if you follow all what we're going to be showing you guys here, trust me, this meeting is going to be worth your time. In the next 30 seconds, I'm going to be sharing my screen and I'm going to be telling you about the company that we're going to be working, that we're using their platform, and then I'm going to be telling you all about um, this meeting, right? So the topic of this meeting is unlocking digital wealth from the global financial market. I know some of you must have been wanting to learn how to make money with your phones, with your smartphones. This is the easiest way you can make money, right? So let me share my screen right now. Uh-huh. So just sorry guys. Okay. So please, Mr. Emmanuel, please, if you can see my screen, please let me know that you can see my screen. Please, just you can just unmute and just let me know that you can see my screen.
It's being shared personally. It's yet to come up,
Okay.
but I can see you are sharing. It's on now. It's on.
Okay. Great. Okay. All right. So we're going to be talking about hello. All right. So this is PU Prime. The name of the company is called PU Prime. PU Prime is a regulated brokerage firm. And I'm going to be telling you in the next 5 minutes all about PU Prime and when PU Prime started from. So first of all, the name. What does PU Prime means? The P stands for Pacific, the U stands for Union, and the Prime just basically talks about the quality of products and services that PU Prime has to offer, right? And so when did PU Prime started? PU Prime started in 2015 in Australia, and right from 2015 in 2016 PU Prime's data center was established in Hong Kong, and also cloud service centers in the UK and in the US were established. So the meaning of this is your datas are well preserved. Now, for a brokerage firm to have multiple data centers, it means that at any point in time that they are doing their app upgrade or their website upgrade, your datas are still safe. In case maybe one data center got burnt or something, right? There are other data centers that still carry your information and everything about maybe how much you have in your account and every other thing, right? So in 2017, European Service Center was still established. In 2018, service centers in Asia, in Malaysia, South Korea, and even, yeah, South Korea offices were also established. In 2019, Seychelles, St. Vincent, and the Grenadines office were established. In 2020, Software Development Center in Taiwan, North America, in fact, Canada, and the rest, and the rest, and the rest, right? So go down to 2021, some offices in Africa were established. In Nigeria, two offices were established, Abuja and in Lagos, right? So this is just basically a graphical representation of all what I just said now, right? And as at this screenshot, when this screenshot was made, PE Prime had 16 global presence, but currently we have around 25 physical presence in 25 different nations of the world currently, right? From this ones, from here, you can see we have offices in Canada, St. Vincent, Spain, Nigeria, Egypt, Cyprus, Seychelles, South Korea, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, Australia, Turkey, right now, South Africa, um, Mauritius, and so many other countries that I can't even mention right now. Right. So, what are the things that PU Prime has to offer? Number one, we offer education. Right. What do I mean by education? Education, we teach you how to trade the global financial market properly. And number two, copy trading, which is PU Prime's biggest products, right? This copy trading is what I'm going to be talking to you guys about today, right? And we also have partnership, how you can become an IB, an affiliate for the company and make money for yourself. We also give out softwares. We have enough softwares that can help you get started in trading the financial market, right? We also offer live trading services and in fact, one great thing I always boast about PE Prime is our fast withdrawals and deposit also. And we also offer mentorship, of course. All right, so I'm just going to be scrolling through some of PE Prime's events over the last couple of years and months. This is our country director, where he was given a lecture or a training rather about on how to trade the global financial market. So this was in 2023 in Abuja Grand Cubana Hotel. This was in 2024 Watercrest Hotels, an event. Uh, oh, yeah. Some of you who joined in the radio, I said there are going to be giveaways in this meeting. So please stay tuned. I'm going to be P Prime is giving out some cash gifts in this meeting today. I don't know who is going to be winning some of these cash gifts, but just stay till the end, and I promise you some cash gifts are going to be given to some individuals right here in this meeting. So, like I said, within the next 35 minutes, we're going to be done. So just stay and just listen to all what we're going to be telling you guys now. Right. So this is PU Prime in 3G's Hotel at Abuja. This is Jeffrey Benson's event in 2023. This was our country director, Idowu Oloyede, giving a speech, right? And P. Ibrahim has been pretty much in the block in Nigeria ever since. And so this is one of our events also, Millionaire Expo in Lagos 2024. This is our country director, Idowu Oloyede in Nigeria, right? And these are some of our foreign events. This is Dubai Expo 2024. P Prime bagged awards in this expo. This is currently our Abuja office. It's at Work and Connect number 50 at B2 Kiwe Street, Jabi, Abuja. We have a wonderful learning and training environment. And if you're around Abuja, you can always come around our office. We have good conducive environment that you can learn and also trade, right? So we also have an office in Lagos. It's at number 54B at Denny Jones in Ikeja. We have wonderful learning and trading environments that you can also come around free of charge if you're in Lagos or Abuja. Our weekly training sessions are totally free. Right, join the academy. Will teach you free of charge. You get your certificates and you become a good trader, right? So, in fact, we even give you softwares free of charge. So regulations, this is very, very important. PU Prime have one of the strongest regulations backing around the brokerage world. So we have the St. Vincent and the Grenadines FSA. We have the Cyprus SISEC, Seychelles FSA. These are strong regulatory bodies governing the CFD brokerage world. So this is Finexpo, Egypt, and PU Prime, Best Global Online Broker. PU Prime won this award. In fact, this year PU Prime won the best copy trading platform at the Dubai. I wish I can even. Okay, I think I added the screenshot here. So this is PU Prime Fazaco Expo. PU Prime won the best copy trading platform 2022 Dubai. PU Prime also won it this year, which is basically what I'm going to be teaching you guys about, the copy trading platform, right? And P Prime also won the best customer service at Forex Expo Egypt 2021. This is a Traders Award. P Prime backed this in 2022. In fact, there are so many things I'm going to be showing you guys about P Prime, right? So now let's dive right into what's the business of today, Let me share my screen and quickly tell us why, how you can be making money, right, from the global financial market. Like I said, if you stay to the end of this meeting, there are cash gifts that I'm going to be giving out, courtesy from PU Prime. So just stay till the end. I want to tell us how you can be making at least $1 every day for the rest of your life, provided you are alive. So it's not rocket science. Just apply the principles, do what I show you today, and you'll be on your way to making money. Right? It's very easy. So this is me. It's a little write up about me. I'm a financial expert. I've been in the trading world for close to 10 years right now, or close to a decade. Let me use that. And I'm a senior financial analyst at PU Prime Africa. And let's dive right in. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to leverage on the skills of others to survive this current economy. See, you all will agree that currently the economy is not good. Today, our president came out and told us some things I don't even understand. I didn't even listen to all what he was saying, but he just kept on elaborating that the country is good, is better, blah 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 blah. But the real fact that you and I on the streets knows that nothing is getting better. In fact, he even went on to say that 330 billion has been disbursed across the nations. Please, if you're in this comments, if you're in this place and you got money from the federal government, please just type in the comment section that, oh, you got 5K or 10K. Let's know at least, because I didn't, none of my friend got that money, and right. So let's forge ahead. So now, like I said, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to take maximum advantage of other people's success. You see, the greatest failure is the failure to use other people's abilities. I'm telling you, if you don't know how to use people's um, experience to make your life better, or you don't know how to use people's past experience and to make your life better, then you're just failing, right? So let me just skip all this and just teach you guys what is better than sliced bread. So the thing is called copy trading. Copy trading is why we are here. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to copy and just chill. Now, what is copy trading? Now, copy trading is a trading strategy and function which automatically helps you replicate the trades of experienced and successful traders. Now, individuals can now potentially benefit from others, from their expertise, insights, and strategies without requiring extensive trading knowledge. So it means that in layman terms, it means that you can actually be making money as someone who is an expert trading in the financial market. Meanwhile, you don't know a dime about the financial market. You can actually be making money. And it's just about copy trading. Now, it's not something that is done manually that they will say, okay, this is the signal, go and buy gold, go and sell gold. No, everything is done automatically. And I'm going to be showing why. So now, like I said, you're going to be taking lots of screenshots. So if you can even tilt your screen landscape, you'll be able to see my slides better. So please, everybody, just take a screenshot of this app because this app is going to help you, right? In our today's copy trading meeting. So now, how does this copy trading works? So now, after you must have downloaded this app called PU Social, you are to link your trading account to this app. Now, the moment you link your MT4 or your MT5 to this app, the next thing is to go and look for a trader, a signal provider. So a signal provider is called a master trader, or a master trader is called a signal provider. So you go and look for somebody that has been trading on his account for years, an expert that in fact, from his records, you will see how much the person has been able to make in the last 1 week, in the last 1 month, in the last 1 year. In fact, in the last 1 minute, you will see everything, how much the person is making daily, how much the person has lost before. Everything is at your fingertips. It's just left for you to say, I like this guy. I want to copy him and be making money as he's making money. So now, this is the discovery page where all the traders are. On this app, there are over 1,000 traders. And all these traders have their different trading style, their different trading strategy. I'm going to be opening one profile for you so that you see some of the informations you can see there. So now, just like I said, tilt your screen landscape so that you can see clearly some of the things I'm going to be showing you. So there are 4 master traders profile that are opened currently. The first one, his name is Excel Gold Profits, and I'm not going to be telling you their names. So maybe when you're ready to do the copy trading, I can recommend some traders that you can copy. You see this first guy, Excel Gold Profit Cent. I have been copying this guy since May. Every day since May till now, this guy has given me at least $1 every day. The records are there. I can maybe even share my phone screen and show you. Every day from May till now, at least $1. And it's free of charge. You don't have to go and kill or rob a bank or stuff like that. These guys have been there. I wish I can even show you my Bybit platform. There is no day I don't withdraw money. There is no day today. The money I've spent today is around 60 something thousand naira, and I'm at home. I didn't go to work today, and I spent 60 something thousand naira because bills everywhere just came to me. I thought I wasn't going to spend money today, but I just found myself spending money. So making money is something you just have to learn how to do so that you can keep chasing bills when they come your way. And these things are there for people, for all of you to just take advantage of. So take action today. If you try this and it doesn't work, call me a liar, call me a bastard, or call me anything you want to call me, because these things are proven. There are people on this group chat that on this meeting now that they've started the copy trading and they have been making money. In fact, you'll be hearing some of them. I wish maybe they will be able to share their screens for you. Right. So this other guy, right? Currently, this guy, the second guy, he has around 2,644 persons copying him. He charges around 30%. So, in fact, all of these traders, they charge 30%. So, for example, if they make $10 for you today, at the end of the day, the app will deduct $3 and give to them. Like I said, there are over 1,000 of them. All of them, they are in competition so that they want you to copy them because they want to be getting your 30% every day because they know that they will make money. So all of them, they want to keep on making more money so that they can keep getting everybody's 30%. It's business for them actually. And it's also good business for you. It's a win-win situation for everybody. The traders want your 30%. So they want to make money for you so that they can take your 30%. And any day they don't make money for you, nothing will be deducted from your account to give to them. Simple as ABC. Now, once you link your account to these guys, it's autopilot from there. It's just go and be sleeping and be watching your money. Some of you would think this thing is Ponzi or it's too good to be true, but it's actually there. Now, secrets, now secret they rule the world. There's something I know that you don't know. So this thing I know is what is giving me money. There's also something you know that me too, I don't really know of. And that thing is giving you money. But I'm just telling you a secret that you can just take advantage of quickly and be making your cool money every day. Now, this guy, since he started trading, this guy has been trading since 2022. His records are there. Since he started trading, he has made around 1,975%. If you say, okay, let you put $100 and copy him since 2022, do you know how much of money you would have made by now? Right? So now, for when you look at his profile, you see that he has 2,600 people copying him. Those people, they are not mumus. They know what they are copying. They know why they are on his profile copying him. This guy too, currently, as at the time of this screenshot, he has made around 1,002%. Right? These guys also, this one self, his name is Record Breaker. As at the time of the screenshot, he has 1,000 copiers. Now go and check, it's around 3,000 or 4,000 people copying his trades. He has made around 11,000%. It's so unrealistic. It's like that is he has been trading on his account, and since he started trading down till this date, he has made 11,000%. Do you know what that means? Right. So now, before you copy any trader, look out for three major things. The first thing you have to look out for is how much has this trader made in percentage since this guy started trading. Don't go and copy somebody that has just made 2 or 3%, because you just know that this person just started trading maybe day before yesterday or last week. So copy somebody that has made a good number of percentage and has been trading for a good number of time. You can see the date since they started trading. It's there on their platform. You can scroll down to all their trades that they have taken since they started and see all their profits. Those ones can even give you more confidence, right? Now, you also have to check the returns. How much in real cash have they made since they started trading? The next important thing you need to know is check the instrument they are trading on. Is it gold they're trading on? Is it oil? Is it currency pairs? Euro, USD, AUD card? Check what they are trading on. There are people that trade on different things, even BTC, Bitcoin. There are people that trade on virtually everything, right? So, but check what they're trading on, because there are some instruments, there are some things that people trade on that are very, very volatile. So, it's like more risk on your account, right? So, get to the person who invited you to this copy trading webinar for more information, for better advice on who to copy, right? Now, what are the benefits of this copy trading? I'm already rounding up, so there's just something I want to share to you at the end. What are the benefits of this copy trading as a solution? Number one, you will earn while you're learning how this trading thing works. For me personally, um, I've been trading for close to a decade now, and I keep learning every day. Today on my account, I made $13. Today I made $13. $13 converted to Naira today is around 20,000 Naira. I made 20,000 Naira doing nothing, but I spent 60 something thousand Naira today, right? So now, what other benefits in this copy trading is that copy trading is a passive income, is a passive investment strategy. Like I told you today, I made $13 today. I have my other business running for me. I have my other job running for me. These are just sources of income. So you can use this copy trading as a passive income. Now, if you are in this meeting today and you want to do this copy trading and you want to be making $100 every day, $1,000 every day, this meeting is not for you. It's not for you. It's for people that want to be making passive income, no matter how small, $1, $2, $10, $5 daily. They are okay with that, right? At the end of the month, they take out some money, withdraw even, or maybe at the end of the week, right? So this is something like that can handle a part of your life, maybe transportation to work. Like I told you, this thing can actually be making you the minimum $1 every day. And I can show you it's very simple, right? So you can say, okay, I want this copy trading to be handling my transportation every day to work, or to be handling my baby's feeding, or to be handling my rent, Maybe at the end of the year, I pull out the money and pay my rent, right? So other benefits of this copy trading is that experienced traders can also benefit. Experienced traders like me, for example, I don't have, because of my administrative duties at my work in PU Prime, I don't have the luxury of time every day to be placing trades myself. But copy trading has been like a lifesaver for me since 2022. So I just have money running on copy trading for me that is yielding results for me every day, right? So now, another good thing about this copy trading with PU Social, PU Prime, is that it gives you total control and transparency. You have power over everything. You can decide you don't want to copy this trader today. You want to copy this one. You can decide that you want to reduce your risk. You want to increase your risk. You can even decide you want to copy 10 traders at the same time, but it's more risk to your accounts, but I don't advise anybody to do that. But you can decide to do anything. You can decide to start the copy trading today, and you want to withdraw your whole money the next minute. You can withdraw every penny. PU Prime is not stopping you from withdrawing your money. You can withdraw even on Sunday midnight, on Saturday early morning. Nothing is stopping you from taking out every dime. So in fact, when copy trading started out in the beginning, there was one broker I was doing I was doing copy trading on. You cannot disconnect from the trader you're trading. You cannot even withdraw your money, because everybody like just pulls their money on a pool like that, and the trader just begins to trade on all of them like that. So it's totally different with PU Prime, right? So let's forge ahead. Another benefit of copy trading is that it enables traders diversify their portfolio. Like I told you, there are so many traders that trade on different things. There's a trader that trades on only gold. There's a trader that trades on only what? Only oil, only Euro USD, right? So in fact, this year alone, gold has made 25%. Just carry your phone, browse how much percent has gold made this year. You see that gold has made 25% this year. So if you have a system, or if you have money that you have invested in gold, you'll have made money this year. Or if you have something that is mining gold for you, you'd have made a whole lot of money this year. Like, I don't know if there are people on this, of course, there are people on this platform doing the copy trading. Gold has been appreciating over time. If you check the charts on gold in the market, in the financial market, gold has just been going up and up and up. It's targeting 4,000, right? So, in fact, too much of my talk, right? Currently, the Nigerian, our inflation rate is around 21%. This is an old screenshot, actually. It's around 21%. If you don't take advantage of this right now and sort out what is happening right now, I'm telling you, December is going to be a tough December for you, because the price of things are going to go up. The 21% of that is the current inflation rate now. By December is going to rise by 23, but it's going to rise to 23%, or 25%. Right. So now, what are the risks of this copy trading? This is the end of this slide. I want to be showing you testimonials right after this slide. So what are the risks involved? When I was telling my dad about copy trading, this was the first question he asked me. He said, "What is the risk involved in this copy trading?" And this was what I told him. Of course, I didn't tell him the number one, copy trading can make you lazy, but the number two was, I told him that over leveraging, copying more than one signal provider with a relatively low capital, can place your account at risk. So over times, I have friends and family that have started this copy trading with me. They are always making their $2, $10, $5 daily. But some of them are not, they don't want to make that one daily. They want to be making $100, $1,000 daily. So you find out some of them are now copying 10 traders at the same time, 6 traders at the same time. So it's more risk on their small capital, right? At the end of the day, they might just lose their funds. So now, the third one again is overexposure of capital. So when you expose your capital to so much risk, now the settings that maybe the person who invited you for this copy trading webinar is going to do for you is maybe do the settings that you can be making between 1 to 3% of your capital. Now, instead of you enjoying your 1 to 3% of your capital daily, you say, no, you want to be making 10%. You now increase your lot size. Now you funded maybe $1,000 and you're now making $100 every day, which is 10%. That is too much on your capital. You can make the $100 today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, but the forthcoming day, you might lose everything, or you might lose half of your capital. right? So now, about this copy trading thing, it's very easy to get started and fund your account and start the copy trading, right? So now, quickly, in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to be running down through the testimonials, and then we head over to question and answer, and then we head over to the giveaways that I told you that PU Prime is sponsoring, right? So now, these are just profile screenshots of some people like you that started the copy trading, and yeah. So now, Mr. James, as at the time of this screenshot, had made around 22%. For some of you who have already started this copy trading, open your profile and check how much percent you have made. You can even take a screenshot and upload it right here on the comment section so that others can actually see what's going on, right? So this guy has made around 22%. In real cash, he had made around $1,400 since he started the trading, the copy trading. He's not doing anything. His account is just automatically copying another professional trader, making money for him. This is Fumilola. As at the time of this screenshot, he had made around 17%, which is like $514. Oluwatosin also had made around 5%, which is around $100. Madam Helen, my client in the UK, this one is based in the UK. This is like her almost 1 year, 1 year screenshot of her copy trading. As at the time of this screenshot, she had made around £26,000 direct, right? So Olugbenga also the same thing, and the list just goes on and on like that. Now, these are MT5, MT4 screenshots of daily, weekly, monthly screenshots of people's profits, right? So you can just take screenshots and maybe just go and check them later, right? So now I've come to the end of this presentation, but there's just one last thing I want to add. Now, we all know trading is dangerous and risky, right? But now, with PU Prime copy trading, you have capital protection. So now, at every given point in time, your capital is protected. A certain percentage of your capital is protected. So now, everybody that is doing the copy trading, I tell them, protect some percentage of your capital. So most of them, they protect 50%. Madam Helen, my client in the UK last year, she protected 80% of her capital because she funded around £20,000, right? So 80% of her capital was protected. So in the case of any bad event, maybe the trader you're copying just began to misbehave and starts losing. Once it gets to that percentage where you have set, everything will stop and keep your balance for you. So it's just a precautionary measure that the broker set in place so that people can actually so that people will not be able to lose their capital in case of any bad events. So it's not like you start the trading today and tomorrow you've lost. It's not possible, right? If you follow the recommended traders that I or anybody here that invited you for this webinar will recommend for you, of course you're going to make money, of course, right? So I want to hand over to Mr. Emmanuel to take over from where I've stopped, and we'll take over I'll continue from the next session. So I'm done with this, and in a few minutes time we'll be done.
Wow, 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 wow. That was a well-detailed presentation. Thank you so much, Doctor. God bless you. If you got value, I need to hear from you from the chat box. Just type yes. You got value for this section. Just type yes. All right, I'm seeing some hands, but I need more. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you, thank you. All right, we have heard from him. Amazing, wonderful system. I tell you guys, amazing, wonderful system. He said something. He said this is not a get rich quick thing. All right. But if you want to improve on your finance, if you want to make some extra good bucks, this is the system for you. That extra daily bucks can be up to $10, $20, $30. There are people who are just 2 months old in the system. Sorry, my network. So there are people who are about 2 months old in the system and they're already doing $10 daily. All right. This system is for everybody. From the testimony I gave, if you were paying attention, you have people who have made $20, $50. You also have people who have made up to $20,000 or pounds. That's amazing. So at the end of the day, the question will be, how willing are you? All right, how willing are you? I'm gonna be taking questions now just for him to attend to our questions. If you want clarity, you need better understanding, you have questions, you can raise your hand, your digital hand, or you can as well use the chat box to drop your question. Either ways. But if you want to speak to us, just feel free. You can use the mic. All right. So if you have any question, you need clarity. Or are we saying it did, well, I know it did justice to the presentation anyway, but one or two persons might need clarity, you might need better understanding. Feel free. Let's get to hear from you.
So you can
Before
unmute
I
yourself
call,
now.
yes, please, you can unmute.
All
Okay,
right.
I have
Good evening, everyone.
Okay, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much, Doctor, for that insightful presentation. So, my question will border around the risk. Yeah. So, I was listening to you at the beginning of at the beginning of the presentation. You made mention of the fact that if the if the person I'm following or if the person I'm copying is not making money, there won't be a deduction of 30%, right? Or is it
That's
three
right.
percent or
30%.
right? Okay. So I want you to explain further because I'm seeing this as a risk, right? And you said there's no risk if he's not making money. So explain further the risk involved when you say I can't copy more than one. I mean, I shouldn't copy quite a few numbers of traders. So please, what exactly is the risk involved now in copying more than 2, 3, 4, 5 traders? So if I know that I'm not going to be deducted.
Mm. Okay, so now one of the reasons why I even tell people, I advise some of my clients to just copy, maybe depending on your deposit, on how much you fund. S- eh, Uh, like there's a client of mine, Mr. James. When he funded his account, he funded around $1,000. So I told him, copy these three traders. He's copying three traders, right? So one of the traders doesn't trade all the time. There are 5 trading days in a week. He only trades around one or two times in a week. There is another trader that trades every day, every minute, from the moment the market opens on Sunday 11 p.m. till the day the market closes on Friday by 10 p.m. The guy is trading. So that one, I told him to copy that one. And then there is one again that he's copying that just trades maybe once a week. So he combined the three of them. Today, the one that trades every day is giving him maybe $4 or $5 today. The one that trades maybe on Tuesday, the other one that trades twice has given him maybe another $5 that Tuesday. Another one again, maybe traded on Wednesday. Maybe the other ones didn't trade. So the three of them are complementing each other. But now you have some other persons that are greedy. Now they just want to copy 10 different persons at the same time. Now, and the 10 different persons at the same time, they don't know how, they've not studied the trader's trading pattern. They don't know if the trader trades every day. So they just copy because they see a good graph on the trader's profile. At the moment they accumulate all these traders and all of them picks trade at the same time, bam, on the account, it's going to be quite heavy, especially if the capital is not even big to accommodate all the traders. So that is why proper guidance is needed for you to do this copy trading actually, right? So yeah, that's it. I don't know if I answered the question.
All right, that sounds good. So just to further ask, what's the minimum startup capital for the trade?
Okay, minimum startup capital for the copy trading. Anytime I do get this question every time. So I tell them, how much do you want to be making every day? So I just ask you that question. How much do you want to be making every day? If the person says, okay, I want to make this, I'll tell them, okay, fund this. Because the goal of my own settings and every other leader settings here, they want you to be making between 1 to 3% of your capital. So if you fund $100, so I tell people the minimum actually to fund is $100. So if you fund $100, the goal target daily is between $1 to $3 daily profit. It's not like you cannot make more. You can even make more than 1 to 3%. You can even make 10% a day, 5%. But no, we don't want that. We just want to put the settings for you to be making between 1 to 3%. Right. So if you fund $100, you're making between $1 to $3 daily. $3 is around 5,000 naira now. If you fund $1,000, you're making between $10 to $30 every day. Low risk, low risk, totally low risk. You're making between $1 to $30 every day. And it's very, very easy. So now $1 to $30 is around 50,000 naira now. So now the ball is in your court. Now, how much do you want to be making daily? It's like that, because the trading now, anybody you're copying, the settings is now based on, it's now proportional to your equity. Right. So that's it. Okay.
Hello, can I come in now?
Yeah, you can come in. You can ask your question.
All right. Good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for the insightful and so taking presentation.
Thank
you. I have a number of questions. Number one is, you mentioned the trader charging 30%. I want to ask, the figure, the profits that I see, I joined yesterday, by the way, and I'm happy to tell you that so far I've made like 2.7%, just like yesterday afternoon, between yesterday and afternoon and a few minutes ago. I have
Beautiful.
about 2.7%
Beautiful.
already as a profit. So that's a good one.
Can you
Now,
take
I
a
want to ask,
screenshot of your PU social profile, and maybe you can upload it on the chat box so that people can actually see, before they would think
okay,
maybe you might be faking it. But just go ahead with your question. After it, you can just take a screenshot
okay.
and upload.
So I want to ask that the profits displayed on my profile, is it before the 30% or after the 30%? Because that percent looks like maybe like a tax now. Is it before or after? At what point is this 30% deducted?
Okay,
That's number one.
okay.
Okay.
Just ask your questions, then I'll answer all of them.
Okay, that's number one. Number two, yes, my first question that I prepared to ask you today was on the risk, and I'm happy that you did justice to that, and you were vulnerable enough to tell us the limit, because I was looking, once this market gets saturated at one point, and it will start crashing. That's I need clarification on that. The next one is, you see, you're talking of studying the traders, looking at that and all that. And I'm asking, are we the ones to be doing that? And with whatever we're making, do we really, what is your advice? We sit on the screen and start monitoring so that we know when to stop copying and when to start copying another one and all that. Who takes such decision? Who, you actually helped me out yesterday, and I'm grateful, right? Is it every time I will be coming to you to notify me of, stop Excel good or something and pick this one again, and stop this and pick the other one? Is it you that will be doing that, and at what cost? What do you stand to? I don't know. At what cost do you do that? Because it's like where you mentioned it, that it's direct. You did no third party involved and all that. But now somebody is taking his time. You spent about an hour with me yesterday, which I appreciated. But I'm like, at what cost to you? At what cost to me? What does PU Prime start to gain with all this? Or is it at other level that, you are being rewarded or something?
Okay.
Because like the way you said it, it looks very interesting. I would love to monitor. When do I stop with this? When do I change? When do I raise my investment if I want to do? And when do I put a stop? Where is that limit, that break point that you will say, oh, don't go further than this and all that. I like the way you said, don't do too much. Don't have too many traders. You gave me 2 yesterday, and I was like, why not 3? Why not 1? That kind of a thing.
Yeah.
So who takes that decision? And if I want a change or something, what do I do?
Okay.
Thank you.
Great question. Now, number one, PU Prime is the broker that is that offers the platform, right? PU Prime makes money when there's a lot of traders on their platform, because PU Prime makes money from trading volumes, right? So for every trade that is being executed on your account, little minute commissions go to PU Prime. You won't even know that those little commissions are being paid to PU Prime directly, because you're using their platform to trade, right? So the more users on their platform, of course, the more money for PU Prime, right? So now, but when it comes to charges, PU Prime don't charge anything, like maybe withdrawal charges or deposit charges, nothing at all, right? And yes, at any point in time, you can actually like stop the copy trading. You want to maybe stop, take a break, take a break from making money. You can actually stop it. If you want to top up your capital, you can actually top up your capital, and some of the settings will readjust to your present capital to be yielding more results for you, more profits for you. And also, of course, you can also seek for guidance from the experts in the building, the people that have already done the copy trading, so that they can guide you properly um, in the copy trading. So for your profile, the PU social profile doesn't take note of the deductions on your account, of the 30% deductions on your account. So the profile just gives you how much you have actually made, right? Then the trader begins to deduct on the account, and the profile doesn't take note of those deductions, right? So, but on your MetaTrader 5, you see it clearly that, okay, you made $10 today, for example, $3 has been deducted from that $10 to give to the trader. You see it plainly. You see every detailed transaction on your MetaTrader 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if there's still a particular question I didn't answer, but I believe
Yeah, you did justice to it.
okay.
Another one is please, the notifications, they come to like 24/7 notification.
Yeah.
Is there a way
The particular
to
you can actually stop the notification, but
I can
yeah, I can show you how to stop the notification for your phone.
I can follow up with you
Yeah.
so that we don't take time because somebody else wants to
The
talk.
particular that trader you're copying trades every minute. So every minute
Yeah.
he's on trade, he's just closing the trade, making so that's why you get those notifications like that. Yeah.
Oh my. Thank you very much. I think I can pause for somebody else in case
You're
somebody
welcome,
else
man.
has question. I can follow up with you on any other one. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, man.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Mr. Lukman.
Thank you. Good evening, sir. Yes, I downloaded the app, the PU Prime app. So then when I try to I try to log in, they are telling me that I can you hear me, sir?
Clearly.
Okay, thank you. So they direct me to verification for PU Prime.
Yeah.
So then from there they say I should continue, which I continue. They direct me to verification status.
Okay.
So then, yeah, from there, that is where I was even having challenges. So now there is where they also say I should, put on submit my details, I think. So the problem now is that I don't know because I tried to drop in my NIN details. It is not working. I don't know why. What
Okay.
should I do?
No problem. You will chat me up after this meeting so that I'll be able to verify your accounts from my back end. Usually it's your ID card that has your name and your what's it called? Your name and your date of birth on it that is valid and will be accepted. but sometimes the robot on the site does not properly understands Nigerian ID, so it might reject, it might accept it, but I can verify that from my end, even if it rejects it. So it's not a problem at all. I can get the account verified this night as we're talking immediately after the meeting.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
You're
Appreciate
welcome,
it.
sir. So any other question before we go to our giveaways? Any question? Mr. Emmanuel, are you still there? Okay, so just I want to just give a free 10,000 naira courtesy from PU Prime. I want to ask a question, and please don't answer randomly. Just raise your hand. If you get the question complete, you have 10,000 naira sent to you from PU Prime now as we're talking, right? So now the question goes like this. There are two questions, sorry, two questions. So you have to answer the both of them correctly. But like I said, raise your hand and I will pick, or I don't even know how do I how do I okay, now on the comment section now, the first person who indicates to answer the question, I will pick. Right. So now the question goes, when did PU Prime started? In which country did PU Prime started from? And what are the risks involved in copy trading? Okay, Mr. John has indicated to answer. So answer the question. When the PU Prime started, which year, which country, and what are the risks involved in copy trading? So you can unmute yourself to answer.
Yeah, good evening.
Good
Thank you
evening,
for the
Mr. John.
thank you for the opportunity. It was very, very, very productive. I really enjoyed every bit of it.
Okay.
I really, really enjoyed. Yeah, back to your question. PU Prime started from Sydney in Australia,
Okay.
and the risk, like you have said
Which
from the
year did PU
presentation,
Prime?
the risk of copying trading, it
What
can make one to be
what
lazy.
year did PU Prime start? Which year did we begin operation?
It started in Nigeria 2021.
No. Worldwide. What year did PU Prime?
2015.
Is somebody giving you answer there?
No, nobody.
Okay.
I've gone through the page. I've gone through the page before 2015, but in Nigeria it's 2021. So
Correct.
basically, the risk that is attached to copy trading is that it could get one to be very lazy. That getting daily reward from what you are doing, and at the end of the day, you might feel comfortable and feel relaxed. And so that's number one. Then secondly is that when you are trading, when you are copying a professional, for instance, and then maybe you expose your capital, you expose your equity to too many traders. For instance, you open, maybe you subscribe, you funded your account with $100, for instance, and you are copying trade of about 5 master trader. So in that case, you are exposing such accounts to a very high risk. Another thing that I have discovered from my own personal experience is that people who I brought into the copy trading system, I gave them a particular settings, but at the end of the day, some of them they will go ahead and trade with a bigger lot size. Imagine somebody trading maybe with 10 standard lot size, trading for, some peers, sometimes trading with one standard lot size. Some people trading because they are using cent account, they trade with a big line, standard lot size. So at the end of the day, they expose their account. In fact, I've seen people who have blown $400 in a day. I've seen people who have blown $500. So in that case, they expose themselves sometimes it's because of greed. So that make them they want more. At the end of the day, they lose all that they have. So those are just the basic risk that is involved in copy trading.
Okay, correct. So please, do you have my number? Yes, you do.
Yeah,
So just
I
send
do.
me your account number right now, and you'll get credited with the 10,000 naira. You want it? Congratulations. So now, for the other giveaways, the next 5% who will meet up with the person who introduced them to get the account registered and verified will get cash prizes also from PU Prime. The next 5 persons who are going to register and verify the account, send screenshots to the person who invited you. They'll reach out to me immediately, and then you'll get your credit bonus from PU Prime ASAP. All right. So, Mr. Emmanuel, I don't know if you're still here. I think he's having network issues. All right. So please, any more questions so that we can call it a day?
Hello, good evening, guys. I'm Gabriel, and I also want to contribute to this the meeting being
Okay.
held this evening. Yeah. Although I'm just joining you guys, didn't really hear you much on what has been ticked today. But my question is, will it going to be continuous meeting every day, or is it just today, or I
Okay.
don't know.
Are you on the group chats? I don't know if you're on
Yes,
the. Okay.
yes, I'm on the group chat.
Okay, great. We'll still be having another meeting later in the week, and it will be more, in fact, more practical than this particular one. And
Okay,
yeah, also the recording for this meeting is also going to be dropped tomorrow morning on the group. So that
okay,
for those who miss some certain parts of the explanation are going to get
okay,
full value. Yeah.
okay. By what time tomorrow
Before
morning?
11 a.m. tomorrow.
All right, that would be nice. That would be
11
nice.
a.m. Yeah.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate.
You're welcome, Chief.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Okay. Good evening. Good evening.
Yes, sorry.
Okay,
Good
Mr.
evening.
Lukman, go ahead.
Oh, okay, thank you. Yes, for example,
Yeah.
is it the more you invest, the more you get money?
I don't. Okay, it's just
Sorry.
the bigger equity you have is equals the bigger returns you get on a daily basis.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
and secondly, then copy people. So that one is very important as well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
To copy.
it's very easy. Once I show you how it's done, once you just copy the person's profile, automatically your trading account will be linked to his own, and whatever activities he's doing will be replicating on your account without you doing anything. He picks a trade, he closes it in profit automatically like that. I'm going to show you how to um do it once I verify your
I really
accounts.
yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah,
I
so
appreciate
there's someone asking a question just before you came in. I think Mr. Geoffrey or Godfrey or something like that.
Yeah, Godfrey. Good evening.
Okay, good evening, sir.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, clearly.
Okay, so I think sometimes last year, January precisely, there's one Madeline from Abuja, which I raised a copying trade with last year before my wedding. Then I think after my wedding, I think before my wedding, I asked her to liquidate the account. So then we'll just copy trade though, because I heard the advert on radio. I think Nigeria Info. Yeah, so I reached out to her, and she's